What step, by the way, since we're starting to do our first formal discussions here, what actual property of the number systems am I using to do that? I'm about to multiply both sides by 0.
Dr. Boller right now is explaining why a negative times a negative is positive when we multiply two numbers. And the thing is, when we tell students, we never really show them why.
The property of equality. That if you have a valid equation, and we are assuming the first one, right? We don't, at the end of the day, it's not going to work. But if the first one is true, then I should be allowed to multiply both sides by 0.
And if we ever get asked a question by a student, well, why? As math teachers, we need to be prepared to come back with that and show them why. Because if they're asking, that means they're curious. And we have to find some way to answer that question for them. Or many students wonder, why can't we divide by 0? And when they enter these things into their calculator, they automatically get an error. But they don't understand what that error means, or they don't understand what is happening and why it's happening. And so what we're going over right now is our proofs and theorems, just to illustrate basic concepts that we as teachers can convey to our students to show them this is why.